So this is our second video in equilibrium. So meaning to say, this video is a continuation of our discussion in equilibrium, which is your lecture number 4. Okay? Sa video na ito, ang pag-uusapan natin is about the different types of supports or modeling the action of forces in two-dimensional analysis. Sa first column, as you can see, yan yung type of contact and force origin. Meaning to say, kung ano yung type of support, kung anong type of contact sa isang surface. Sa second is yung free body diagram. Okay? So first, let's consider this first type. So as you can see, this one, for example, ito yung isang wall. Tapos yung wall na yan is it carries this body. This one actually class ito. This one is the flexible cable, rope, belt, etc. Okay? So this one is yung, for example, cable yan. If we are to analyze the free body diagram or the behavior of this cable, kung titingnan natin yung free body diagram nito, so, yung analysis dyan is, yung cable daw, always daw na force na mabubuo dyan is tension force. Okay, tension. Meaning to say, example, this is a cable. So, yung cable daw, example, ito yung cable o. So, yung force na mabubuo dito is tension alone. Okay, tension. Meaning sa tension na panggamitan. So, pangginitan na giya. Kasi, analysis dito is tension dahil ang cable na ito is weak sa compression. Pag minsa tension na so panggamitan. Tapos, compression is so compress. So, yung cable na ito is yung analysis lang dito is tension because this cable is weak in compression. Imagine, di ba, i-compress tayo ng, di ba, kapako. So, yung analysis lang dito is tension. Okay? So, next. Ang next is yung kapag yung isang body is naka-attach or nakadikit sa isang smooth surface. Example, ito yung body. Or let's say, ito yung body. Okay? Ito yung body. So as you can see, ito yung structure or ito yung body. Yung force na mabubuo dito is normal. Okay, class? Normal to this surface. Okay? Normal force to this surface. This is for smooth. Okay? For smooth surface. Example na strinipan. Okay. Example, ito yung box. Ito yung box. Sa box na yan is mayroon dyang normal force that is perpendicular to this surface. So, normal to this surface. Yan yung kapag smooth yung surface na ito. Pero kapag rough, meaning to say magaspang, let's consider or let's proceed to this third type. Example, this one. This time, rough yung surface natin. Itong surface na ito is magaspang. Di ba? Kapag rough yung isang surface, may mabubuong friction. So, if you are to say, if i-relate natin yung second type sa third type, mayroon itong normal force. Okay? May normal force. Tapos, since itong surface nito is rough, may mabubuo din ditong friction force. Okay? Friction force. So, ito yung direction ng friction force natin. As you can see, yung direction ng friction force is ganito. Kapag yung motion is, ito yung direction ng motion natin or yung acceleration natin. Pero kapag nandito yung acceleration natin, yung friction natin is papunta doon. Okay? Gets ba yun? So, those are the first three types of contact and force origin. Now, proceed tayo sa pang-apat na type in which ito yung isa sa pinaka-common na ginagamit sa field or ito yung usual na ginagamit sa mga problem. So, sa number 4, yan ay isang roller support. Okay? So, kung i-draw natin yung roller support, pwedeng ganito. Pwedeng ganito. Okay? Pwedeng ganyan. Or pwedeng ganito. Okay? So, ito yung mga itsura ng normal roller support. Sa roller support is, of course, this one is perpendicular to the surface. Perpendicular to the surface and perpendicular to the surface. So, kung mag-analyze tayo ng isang roller support, yung reaction natin dapat is perpendicular to the surface. So, sir, what if ganito yung roller natin, sir? So, obviously, if ganyan yung roller natin, again, this one should be perpendicular to the support or perpendicular to the surface. Yan yung roller support. Sa number 5 din naman is yung freely sliding guide. Sa freely sliding guide, hindi yan usual. I mean, hindi yan masyadong ginagamit. So, ito yung reaction na mabubuo dyan sa freely sliding guide. Next is sa pin connection. Okay, pin connection. Sa pin connection, mayroon sa pin connection ay what? Kapag yung pin ay free to turn, yung reactions lang is dalawa. Along X at saka along Y. Okay? Kapag daw yung pin natin ay free to turn, yung reactions lang ay along X and along Y. Pero, kapag yung pin is not free to turn, meaning to say may moment yan, may mabubuong moment, okay? So, may force along X, Y, at saka yung moment. So, yun yung pin connection. So, next naman is yung fix. Okay? Yung sabi natin kanina, yung building, di ba? Yung building ganito. So, sa fixed connection, or sa fixed support, kung ikukusin natin yung fixed support, example ito yung fixed support na ginan konsokuan. So for example, so member is naka-attach or nakadikit sa isang wall, for example. So ito yung indication na fix yung isang support natin, okay? Fix. Or pwede ding welded. Pwede ding welded, okay? Weld. Ito yung fix, ito yung naka-welded. Sa fixed or welded support, yung reactions na nandyan ay along X, force along X, force along Y, at saka yung moment. Okay? Yung moment. So, yan yung involved. Ito rin, may moment, may force along X, at saka may force along Y. Tapos, of course, may moment. Okay? So, as you can see, hindi lahat, not all the time, ganito yung direction ng moment natin. Yung force sa X, force sa Y is upward. So, pwede ring maging itong moment natin is, direction nito is clockwise, depende sa behavior ng forces, or depende sa behavior ng isang structure. Okay? Again, sa number 7, nandyan is yung fixed or built-in support. So, ito yung reactions. May force along X, force along Y, at saka yung moment. Okay? So, next is yung gravitational. Sa gravitational attraction, nandyan yung weight. Okay? Lahat ng bagay is may weight. So, meaning to say, yung weight always acts at the center of a body. Okay? So, yan. Gravitational attraction. Next is yung spring. Yung behavior ng spring. So, again, in this one, kung pwede lang paki-familiarize yung different types of supports, tapos kung ano yung mabubuong reaction sa support na ito. Okay? So, dahil ito ay kailangan sa pag-analyze ng isang structure. Example. Okay? Example natin, tulad nito. Kung mag-analyze tayo ng isang member or ng isang simple beam. Gia. Diba? Diba? Gia is, this support is actually a roller, and this support is hinge. Again, take note. Diba yung sabi ko kanina, yung ganito mga illustration ay roller. Tapos this one is hinge. Okay? Hinge. So, yan yung hinge. So, if you are to analyze this one, sa roller, yung sabi ko kanina, sa